Hello guys, this is Balika. So today I would like to do a quick craft to kind of celebrate the end of 2020 and the coming of 2021. I've kept these a lot of these mason jars around for a while. Some of them from jams, some of them from like spaghetti sauce and things like that. I was thinking to make some DIY snow globes out of them. But as I was testing them out, I found that not all of them are waterproof, and so I've decided to make a waterless snow globe. This pine cone was given to me when I was in primary school by a math teacher. So it's been a very long time, but it's amazing. I've always kept it in the bag that it came in. It was just a plastic, transparent plastic bag. The bag was like really quite tattered, but the pine cone is still perfect. It looks so pretty. And so I found, out of all my jars, I found one that is just the perfect size for it. And so what I'm going to do is I will sit this inside the mason jar, and if you remember from one of my previous video, I do some soap carving, and usually at the end of soap carving I'm left with some of these scrap pieces of soap. They still smell very nice. They look amazingly like snowflakes, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add it into the jar with the pine cone, and then put a ribbon around the mason jar, and that's it. That's my waterless pine cone snow globe that I want to show you. It will make a very nice decoration in the home. And so yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching, and Happy New Year, everyone.
So these are the basic materials that I used. I found that white glue works better than the all-purpose adhesive glue that I have here, so feel free to just use white glue if that's what you have. I started by cleaning the lid of the jar before gluing anything down. The first thing that I want to glue down is this other smaller lid that I found from another jar to help my pine cone sit a little higher in the snow globe. Next, I'm squeezing some white glue onto the base. Then I use the pine cone to pick up some of that glue, which will then pick up some of the soap pieces to give it a snow-covered effect. While the glue is still wet, I also want to add some glitter, some silver glitter, to make the pine cone shine a little bit. I'm adding an extra dash of silver glitter into the soap. This soap will be used to cover the base of the snow globe so that it looks like the pine cone is sitting on a snow-covered floor. Once the base is ready, glue down the pine cone as well. Finally, put some glue on the inside of the jar around the rim and as high up as you want the fake snow to go. Sprinkle the scrap pieces of soap all over the glue. Then screw the jar back onto the lid, and there you have it, a waterless pine cone snow globe.